like Ali, die like Hussain, live 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 like Ali, die like Hussain. Allah loves all who have love for Muhammad in their heart. He is the city of knowledge, Ali exploring path. Hussain and Prophet Muhammad can never be apart, because this is what Muhammad had said from the start. Hussain, Hussain, minni wa ana min al-Hussain, Hussain. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain. Life and death, they are the guidance and philosophy. The sacrifice of Hussain, the way and life of Ali. You only need to look at the final sujood V. This is the art of life and death we should try to achieve. Hussain, these were the words of Ali, just a bit of Bil-Kaaba. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain. Hussain's the one who's the meaning of courage, love and peace. He owns the earth and he owns everything within the sea. He is a path to the heavens, this is a guarantee. To love Hussain is the best way to let your soul be free. Hussain, we follow him cause he'll guide us to what we're looking for. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain. When growing up we have been taught this lesson every day. Without a doubt you have been born to serve the Ahlul Bayt. For loving them you may face torture, agony and pain, but every time you should never be scared to face that hate. Hussain, the bravery of Ali is what you should always show. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain. By sacrificing his companions and his family, Hussain has showed us how to live our lives and how to be. To give whatever we have in Allah's name, then we'll see. There's not a thing in this whole universe we can't achieve. Hussain, to live our lives in the way of Allah should be our goal. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain. Our aim in life is to do good and to discourage wrong. This is the best way to let Karbala live on and on. And even though we know that 14 centuries have gone, the sacrifice of Hussain lives on in us and our souls. Hussain, by standing for what he stood for, is answering his call. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain. Hussain's the ultimate meaning of faith and devotion. He showed us how to conduct ourselves as a creation, and then by saving humanity gave us salvation. This is a lesson for every age and generation. Hussain, because of him we have got harmony within our souls. Live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali, die like Hussain, live like Ali. die like Hussain.
Live like Ali, die like Hussain.
Live like Ali, die like Hussain.
Ya Hussain,
Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain.